Hello, seventh graders. This week we are going to learn how to combine operations with linear expressions. Our objectives for this topic are to simplify linear expressions and to write expressions in factored form. Our I can statement is I can combine operations to simplify linear expressions. Let's go ahead and get started with the vocabulary. First of all, we have linear expressions. We determine an expression is linear when its variables are raised to the first power and it does not have a variable in its denominator. So here we have an example of the linear expression nx plus 7 plus another linear expression x plus 3. Next up, we have like terms. These consist of the same elements, and in these cases, we have 5x and 6x. They both have a coefficient, and they both have the same variable x raised to the same power. Down here, we've got 2mn and 12mn. Once again, we can see how both of them have a coefficient and they're accompanied by the same two variables, mn raised to the first power. An equation, okay, so next we have the word simplify. Oops, here, simplify. An equation has been simplified when it no longer has parentheses or like terms. So here we've got the equation 2 as a coefficient and then x plus 5 inside the parentheses. We apply the distributive property on this expression and we get 2x plus 2 times 5. We simplify it or find the product of 2 times x, which is 2x, plus the product of 2 times 5, which is 10. Down here, our expression has no like terms and no parentheses, so we say that it is written in its simplest form. And finally, the factored form of an expression is reached once we determine the greatest common factor of its terms and express it as the product of its factors. So if we are presented with the expression 2 as a coefficient, we open parentheses x plus 5 plus 3x. First, we would have to apply the distributive property on the first part. So we do so by multiplying 2 times x plus 2 times 5, and we copy the term 3x. We then simplify. 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times 5, which is 10, plus 3x. We then combine the like terms. 2x plus 3x equals 5x plus 10. And then we look for the greatest common factor between these two terms, 5x and 10, which is going to be 5. It's placed down here. And we are going to express it as the product of these factors. So 5x divided by 5 is x, and then 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So our final expression has been written in factored form.